Well, good morning, just a quick vlog this morning. I'm going to be testing out some new attachment lenses that I got for my iPhone 6, the Iboolo lenses. So I'm going to be testing those out this morning. I've actually got the wide angle, super wide angle on at the moment, and so I'll take a few photos and I'll put them up. We'll have a look at what the Iboolo accessory lenses for the iPhone 6 can do for photography. So that was just a quick test of the Iboolo little lens set from China. It's a fairly cheap set. It was fun to use, easy, simple to use, just clips on. I did find that when I used the fisheye actually got stuck in the screw mount and it had to be forced out a little, which isn't fantastic in terms of quality manufacturing, but it is what it is, I guess. Just take it easy with it. It probably won't last forever, but you probably don't need to use it a lot. I've got the slightly wide angle lens on it, not the widest, but the slightly wide angle lens on the front facing camera at the moment, so this is giving me certainly a better field of view than the normal iPhone camera does. And so yeah, I think it's fun to use. I think I'll use it a bit more for vlogging, and so yeah, just a very quick review with some images of the Iboolo iPhone 6, or well, iPhone, or any phone I guess, little lens set. Thanks for watching, bye.